and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking all about the apple cider vinegar detox. But before we get into the video, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss out on my videos. Alright, let's get started. So first of all, we need to give this shirt a little moment here. How cute is it? It's all the little Disney princesses, but like sketched out, like really cute. And instead of their names, they're like all adjectives, like she's adventurous, she's brave, she's like whatever. But I thought this was so cute. Anyway, just giving this shirt a well-deserved little moment. Super cute. So in today's video, I'm going to be going over what this detox really is, any potential benefits, how you would even do one, all that kind of stuff. But before we get into this video, make sure to check out my previous video all about the lemon water detox. Let me know what you guys think about that one. But first off, what is an apple cider vinegar detox? So we used to use it as like a salad dressing and things like that when we were younger, but now everybody's drinking apple cider vinegar. It's like the thing. Like when you first get up in the morning or before you work out or whatever, you take like a shot of apple cider vinegar. You gotta make sure that it's the one with the mother and all that kind of stuff. So raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar is what's gonna have the mother in it. And the mother is what's going to be containing the good bacteria for your gut. It contains vitamins, minerals, enzymes, that kind of stuff. So this is one of those things that is old as time. It's just coming back now as social media tends to take things over. But health benefits that have been found from hundreds of years ago, way back, are now coming about now. So what are some potential benefits? So like I talked about in my previous video with the lemon water detox, your body detoxifies itself. Think of your body like a machine, and it's gonna clean itself every so often. So, every time you're ingesting things, your liver, your kidneys, everything detoxifies and rids your body of different toxins and things like that just naturally on its own. And the number one important thing is to remember to always be drinking water and getting enough fiber to kind of keep things moving along. So some potential benefits are giving your body some enzymes, increasing potassium intake, supporting a good immune system, helping with weight loss, promoting your pH balance in your body, helping with healthy digestion, adding good bacteria to your gut like we talked about earlier, helping remove toxins from your body, soothing your skin and keeping it healthy, and healing acne when it's very extreme. So like always, I will include everything in the description box below, so if you guys want to go back and read up on things and not watch through the whole video again. But all of these claims, like I talked about in my other video, there's not much scientific evidence to prove that these things really work. Number one thing, like I always say, is just listen to your body, let your body do its job, and make sure to feed your body really nutritious foods. Make sure you're getting all your vitamins, minerals, nutrients, a ton of water, and a ton of fiber just to get everything moving along in your digestive tract, getting things in, getting things out. So how would you do one of these detoxes if you wanted to do so? So am I telling you to go do this? No, but if you have questions on how you would, or how much you should drink, or what it is, I'm here to tell you, because everybody does different things. Some people just take a shot of it. Some people mix it with things and whatever. So I'm going to tell you the best and easiest ways to do so. So typically you're going to use raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar. That's to get all the benefits of the mother, like I said before. Now don't be alarmed when you see a little murky thing floating around, like that's the mother. It's going to be more cloudy, it's unfiltered, so that's going to be what you want if you're looking to do this. Now you're going to be using about 1 to 2 tablespoons of the apple cider vinegar, and you're going to want to mix that with about like an 8-ounce glass of water, and then you can add a sweetener if you want, like honey or something like that. I've never done that, but I have used a little bit of lemon juice. I might be a weirdo for that, but I've done this before. Just I'm a nutritionist. I try new things. I try things out for you so you don't have to. And let me tell you, I've had this on an empty stomach before. I did not feel good. Not good. It is hard to get down. It was easier when you would add the water, but then it's like so much of it. Like, it was so much of it, it takes like forever, because I would just be like sipping it because I'm like, this doesn't taste good. If you're one of those people that can just chug a whole bottle of water that tastes like then go ahead and do that. But I was one of those people that went and just took a shot of it to just get it done and over with, and ugh, did not feel good, did not taste good, gross, didn't really feel like it helped me much at all. But I also wasn't very consistent with it and really tracking things, because I was just like, this ain't worth it. But if you guys like it, more power to you. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. So because this isn't a set thing, there's so much research out there that still needs to be done, but so much research out there that you can look at and read up on yourself. But people are doing all sorts of different things. People are doing it for a certain amount of time, like a week. Some are doing it for upwards of a month. Some people do it, 3 times a day when you get up, in the middle of the day, and then at night before you go to bed. I don't know. I don't know. You guys are just going to have to kind of see for yourself if this is something you want to do, or do some more research, or watch one of those videos like the people that do their journey and they show you what they do and whatever. But I haven't done this personally to let you know, the best way and my results or anything like that. So just some things to note. I would recommend diluting the apple cider vinegar like I did and then I did not. I've tried both ways, but it's really not good for you just taking it straight like that, because it is acidic. It's not good for your throat, it's not good for your teeth, like things like that. I would recommend rinsing your mouth with a little bit of water after you do so as well. That's why I either took it as a shot or I just was sipping on it through a straw when I used like a mason jar with a straw in it and I added the water to it. Ooh, it was rough, but as always, if you are going to try something new like this, definitely make sure to, check in with your doctor if there's any medications or diuretics or things like that that could affect, potassium levels or different things in your body. Definitely make sure to ask your doctor. So just for some final thoughts, if you guys want to try this, I can't force you not to or anything like that. I personally would rather just see you guys, drinking your water, changing up your diet a little bit, having less processed foods, less processed sugars and colors and dyes and things, and just focus on, hydration and having a lot of whole foods, tons of fiber, lean proteins, whole grains, things like that. You're going to feel way better than just this detox that's going to taste disgusting. But that is all I have for this video today, you guys. I hope you liked it and I hope you learned something new. If you did like it, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss out on my videos. And share this video would really help me a lot. And as always, if you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes right to your inbox, then make sure to head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.